In this video, I'll show you how to use Afterpay Money on Cash App. First, make sure you already have an Afterpay Money account set up and that your digital Afterpay Money card is active. Open the Afterpay app, go to the Money tab and locate your card details. You'll see your card number, expiration date, and CVV, just like a regular debit card. Now, open Cash App, tap the profile icon, then select Linked Banks or Linked Accounts. Choose Link Debit Card and enter your Afterpay Money card details exactly as shown. Once linked, your Afterpay Money balance will be available through Cash App. You can send money to friends, make payments, or even add it to your Cash App balance. If you want to move funds from Afterpay Money into Cash App, simply tap Add Cash inside Cash App and select your Afterpay Money card as the source. Keep in mind, some transfers might be instant, while others can take 1 to 3 business days, depending on processing times. That's it now. You can use Afterpay Money seamlessly inside Cash App for payments and transfers. By the way, if you're looking for a smarter alternative to Cash App, I strongly recommend Wise. I use it myself. It's hands down one of the best ways to send money, whether it's within the US or to friends and family overseas. Right now, they're running an exclusive offer. Sign up using the link below and your first transfer, up to $800, is completely free with 0 fees. Wise consistently beats banks and other payment services on fees and exchange rates, and the reviews speak for themselves. Best part? Creating an account is 100% free and takes just a few minutes. So if you want to save money every time you send money, click the link in the description, create your free Wise account, and grab your free $800 transfer today.